Hey there! Welcome to my channel! Today, we're going to learn about the history of crypto and how it's changing our lives. Let's begin! Early beginnings minus 2009. In the year 2009, a person or a group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto launched Bitcoin, the first crypto. This was a new way to send money from one person to another without involving banks or any other financial institution. Why? It started. People wanted an alternative to the traditional banking system, which can be expensive and slow. They wanted something better, faster, and cheaper. So, they created crypto. From Bitcoin to thousands. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and uses. Some are designed to be fast and cheap, like Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Others are focused on specific uses, like Ripple, which is popular for cross-border payments, and Cardano, which is known for its energy-efficient blockchain. What is blockchain? At the heart of every cryptocurrency is a technology called blockchain. This is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records all transactions across multiple computers. This means that everyone can see the transaction history, but no one can change it. This makes cryptocurrencies transparent and secure. How does it work? To understand how blockchain works, imagine a public spreadsheet that records all transactions. When you make a transaction, it is broadcast to the network. The computers on the network, called nodes, verify and add the transaction to the spreadsheet. Once a transaction is in the spreadsheet, it cannot be removed or altered. This ensures that the transaction history is accurate and tamper-proof. Real-life uses. Cryptocurrencies have many real-life uses. They can be used to buy goods and services, like coffee or a new car. They can be invested in like stocks or bonds. They can even be used to create unique digital assets like NFTs or non-fungible tokens. These are like digital trading cards that can be bought and sold. Smart contracts are also possible thanks to crypto. These are agreements between two parties that are written in code. They can be used to automate many different types of transactions. How it's changing our lives. Crypto is changing our lives in many ways. It is giving us more control over our finances by allowing us to transact directly with others without the need for a bank. It is also making it easier to do business across borders because there is no need to exchange currencies. Crypto is also creating new jobs and opportunities for people all over the world. Many people are now working in the crypto industry as developers, traders, or investors. Of course, crypto is not without its risks. The value of cryptocurrencies can be very volatile, meaning that they can go up or down in price very quickly. This makes them risky investments and can make it hard to use them for everyday purchases. There are also many scams and frauds related to crypto. More and more businesses are accepting crypto payments, and more people are using crypto to invest or trade. In the future, crypto could even replace traditional money. Who knows? If you want to know more about crypto, you can check out some of my other videos. I have a full playlist on crypto for beginners. You can also check out my video on how to buy Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.